Green building design. Green buildings incorporate the measures that are environmentally friendly and resources efficient across the building life cycle. The green buildings concept aims to comprehensively minimize the negative impact and to maximize the positive impact a building has on the natural environment and human occupants. Green building concept in Malaysia. Eco-friendly buildings are more energy efficient, which implies that users are sure of using less on their utility bills. Building greens provide the benefit to the health and the safety of the occupants, the community and the environment. These are also include reduced environmental impact through the material and resources conservation. And these are the advantages of the green building: reduction of the natural resources consumption, reduction of the operating cost, health, comfort, and the safety for all residents, energy optimization and reduction of the energy consumption, increased productivity of the occupants, and a better indoor air quality. IAQ has a tremendous impact on the human health.
The characteristics of green buildings. Energy efficiency. One of the characteristics of green buildings is their focus on energy efficiency. These include aspects such as using renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, maximizing natural lighting to reduce the need for artificial lighting, and implementing energy-efficient heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems. By reducing energy use, green buildings minimize their environmental impact and often result in lower utility bills for occupants. Next, sustainable materials. Green buildings prioritize the use of sustainable and eco-friendly materials throughout their construction and operation. This involves sourcing materials locally to reduce transport emissions, using recycled or reclaimed materials when possible, and choosing materials with low energy, the energy required to produce, transport, and install them. By choosing sustainable materials, green buildings minimize resource depletion and waste generation while promoting occupants' health and well-being. Water conservation. Another key feature of green buildings is their emphasis on water conservation. This can involve a variety of strategies, such as installing low-flow plumbing fixtures, implementing rainwater harvesting systems for irrigation and non-potable uses, and incorporating water-efficient landscaping techniques. By reducing water use, green buildings help conserve precious freshwater resources and reduce pressure on local water supplies, especially in areas prone to drought or water scarcity. Healthy indoor environment. Green buildings prioritize creating a healthy indoor environment for occupants. This includes improving indoor air quality by using low VOC, volatile organic compound paints, sealants, and furnishings, as well as implementing effective ventilation systems to remove pollutants and ensure adequate air circulation. Additionally, green buildings may incorporate features such as daylighting, biophilic design elements, and ergonomic furniture to improve occupants' comfort, productivity, and overall well-being. By prioritizing the quality of the indoor environment, green buildings promote occupants' health and satisfaction while reducing the risk of respiratory problems and other health issues associated with poor indoor air quality.
Market for green building. An opportunity to differentiate construction product by moving away from traditional techniques towards demonstrating environmental awareness, because in this industry a large number of firms compete and produce identical products. Traditionally, firms may be competing in terms of quality and reliability. It is restricted to raise price above competitors. Product differentiation allows a firm to gain some control over price. They can raise price and profits without losing customer.
Malaysia's green building movement is making significant strides towards sustainability. Led by the commercial sector and quickly embraced by residential developments, commercial spaces are leveraging the Green Building Index (GBI) for energy-efficient technologies, water conservation, and enhanced indoor environmental quality. This not only benefits the planet but also improves occupant well-being. Examples include eco-friendly office towers and retail centers, bolstered by government initiatives like tax breaks and financing schemes. Meanwhile, the residential sector is incorporating energy-saving appliances, green spaces, and waste management systems, aiming for healthier living and long-term savings. Highlight projects such as the Light Collection 2 and Tropez Residence showcase sustainable living innovations. Despite challenges like higher initial costs, the movement towards green buildings in Malaysia underscores a commitment to environmental conservation and improves quality of life, supported by the government initiatives and growing public awareness.
The example of green buildings. Number 1. The Bukit Bintang City Centre (BBCC) is home to the PNB 188 skyscraper, the future tallest building in Malaysia. But more importantly, a green lung will weave throughout the project, creating a series of parks, gardens, and green pockets. Tun Razak Exchange, TRX Residences, Kuala Lumpur. The first township in Malaysia given the Platinum GBI rating. This highly rated development in the Kuala Lumpur Business District is committed to sustainability, adopting zero-wasted principles, maximizing the life cycles of its materials, and adapting to future climate change. The TRX City Parks will be a key green lung ride in the heart of the city, connecting KLs back to nature. South Place Residences Tropicana Metro Park, located close to the mature neighborhood of Subang Jaya. South Place Residences was built with green component in its master plan. This consists of sustainable and environmentally friendly products used in its construction.